Let's transform your home into a sanctuary of hair-loving bliss. Oh, so relaxing. Let's go! First, set the stage for hair pampering treatment. Before we dive into hair pampering extravaganza, let's set the mood. Transform your home into a haven of hair happiness. A serene spa day requires a serene space. So set the ambience in your bathroom, tidy up, and create a clean canvas ready for your spa masterpiece. Dim the lights to create a cozy ambiance. Mix a few drops of rosemary essential oil into a small bowl of water for a fresh spa smell. Cue your favorite calming playlist and embrace a comfy robe. Your hair deserves a front row seat to this pampering show. Which tools do you need? Gather all your goodies. Before diving into bliss, assemble your hair spa squad. We're talking about your trusty hair care products, the VIPs of this pampering party. We'll share what's needed in each step, but think of hair oil or essential oil, head massager, soft cotton towel, and more. Time to grab towels softer than a cloud and find your coziest robe that makes you feel like a spa diva. Now, you're ready to conquer this magical hair spa day. First step, oil up for glory. Hair oil eleganza. Let the pampering officially begin. Time to cover your locks with a little liquid gold. Grab one hair oil, such as rosemary oil, organic is our favorite, castor oil, coconut oil, argan, or lavender oil, and let the magic begin. It'll protect your precious locks from your everyday damage by preventing split ends and adding moisture. Gently massage this elixir onto your ends to transform them into silkier versions of themselves. Think of oiling as the leading act of your hair spa day. Let it sit, marinate, and do its magic. Your hair will thank you for this glossy, radiant touch. Next, the Scalp Massage Symphony. Fingertips dancing through your hair. Time for a scalp soiree. Start with gentle circles to show your scalp some love, and let tension tiptoe away. It's a mini vacation for your head to improve circulation and promote hair growth. Embrace the sensation, as if your fingers are sprinkling happiness on each strand. This scalp massage isn't just a treat, it's a ticket to a stress-free zone. We've shared the ultimate scalp massage tips and techniques in our previous videos, so be sure to check them out after this one. Aromatherapy steam, a scented symphony for your senses. Get ready for a fragrant fiesta for your hair. Take a bowl of hot water with a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lean in, let the steam enchant your senses, and imagine your hair relaxing in this aroma ambiance. It's not just a spa day, it's a fragrant escape. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the stress, and let your hair be the VIP guest at this aromatic soiree. Masquerade Party, Hair Mask Extravaganza. Move on to a luxurious hair mask to address specific concerns, whether it's for moisture, shine, or repair. There are countless options in the store, but we recommend heading to the kitchen and whipping up your very own DIY one. We've shared a great number of hair mask recipes in our previous videos to get the results you want to achieve for your locks. Check them out after this video. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scalp scrubbing time. Follow up by giving your scalp the love it deserves with a gentle scalp scrub. After you've sectioned your hair, apply the scrub using your fingertips. You can also grab an exfoliation brush or glove. Just apply gentle circular motions. Looking for a DIY homemade natural recipe? Use 1/4 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, such as coconut oil, avocado, jojoba, or olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 3 drops of essential oils such as rosemary, tea tree, peppermint, or lavender. Rinse with warm water until all the salt is out, and get on with the next step. Enjoying these tips? Remember to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can catch all the fantastic hair care tips coming your way. Shampooing, but make it gentle. Gently shampoo your hair with a sulfate-free delight that cleanses your scalp and hair without stripping away natural oils. Think of it as the hair version of Sweet Nothings because your hair deserves to be wooed with the utmost tenderness. The deep dive. Dive into deep conditioning. Treat those locks like the royalty they are. Grab your favorite conditioner and apply it like it's the secret sauce of hair happiness. Apply generously to hydrate and repair your hair. Let the conditioner work its magic. Spoil those strands. They've earned it. Hot towel wrap, because your hair needs a hug too. Wrap your hair in a warm towel. It's like a warm hug saying, "I got you." You can also do this to help your hair oil treatments, hair masks, or deep conditioners to penetrate the hair shaft. Like it's on a mission to save the day and enhance the effectiveness of those products. So this isn't just a wrap, it's a hair cuddle. Enjoying these tips? Smack that like button. Your click helps YouTube spread this video to help others. Big thanks to you for spreading the good vibes. DIY Hair Rinse, the homegrown elixir of shine. Now's the time to use your own hair magic with a DIY hair rinse. Mix 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water or use cold green tea and let the potion making begin. It's like an elixir for that extra punch of shine and smoothness, approved by Mother Nature. Rinse a cold splash. Seal the deal with shine. After the natural hair rinse, give your hair a chilly wake-up call and rinse your hair with a splash of cold or cool water. The grand finale to seal the deal. As you rinse, the cold water seals the hair cuticles, locking in the goodness. It's like the grand finale to leave your hair with a glossy, radiant shine. Gentle towel part. No rough business here. Once out of the shower, pat your hair with a gentle towel such as 100% soft, thin cotton Turkish towel. We repeat, gently, because rough business is strictly prohibited. Treat your hair like the delicate masterpiece it is. Detangling Diva. Remove knots with the right tool. Time to detangle. You'll love using TangleGenie, either on damp or dry hair. This ultimate detangler will save your strands. With its 360-degree bristle design, it glides through your hair, gently detangling without pain or pulling. You'll be amazed at how easily it slides through your hair, leaving it silky, smooth, and knot-free. Plus, it helps distribute product evenly, so you can say goodbye to products sitting on the top of a tangled mess. You can use this magic tool before your hair treatments to ensure they coat all your strands, during to distribute the product evenly, and after washing once the strands are damp or dry. Leave in love, hydrate, and conquer. Opt for leave-in love for your fabulous mane. Picture it as the after-party treat for your locks. Leave-in conditioners, oils, serums, spritzes, mousses, whatever your choice may be according to your hair type. We recommend a DIY concoction of organic oils or essential oils applied to damp or dry hair. It's the secret agent to guard your hair's moisture throughout the day, like a personal hydration hero. Heat styling break. Let your hair breathe. For this special hair spa day, give your hair a break from heat tools. Embrace your hair's natural beauty. Let it breathe by air drying and rock those natural waves. Soft pillowcase, where dreams and hair unite. Time to rest up your pretty head on a comfy pillow. Because your hair should be treated like royalty even in dreamland. Say goodbye to bedhead and say hello to silky morning perfection. Finally, relax and celebrate because you deserve it. Take a moment to enjoy the glory of your newly pampered locks. You've just orchestrated a symphony of self-love for your hair. Consider this your time to relax and enjoy the magic you've created. Let us know if you have any other tips to a great hair spa day in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. And head on over to this video right here to find DIY hair rinses recipes to keep your hair healthy. Happy, healthy hair journey!